This is the Rumah BC20 while charging. As you'll notice, there's one solid blue light and the rest are flashing. This means the current charge is at 25%, and as it reaches a full charge, the blue lights will all become solid. This is the Rumah BC20 with its stick attachment and main power head attachment. You'll notice the power button at the front there. It's in a perfect location, easily reachable with your thumb. On the side, you'll see where the dust cap locks and unlocks to be emptied. The stick attachment here, and then the main vacuum head at the bottom. They both release quickly with the press of the red button that you see on the front there. I'm going to use our leftover Christmas tree mess to show you the Rumah BC20 handheld wireless vacuum. I'll power it on, and you'll notice there are two power modes. You should hear the vacuum change sound when it kicks into the higher power. I've now attached the crevice attachment. As you can see, it has an adjustable duster piece on the end. I'll power on and give you a demonstration on how easily it gets into the edges and corners. I'll show you how to empty the dust cup. As you can see, it's currently locked, so you'll just twist it to the unlock position. You'll remove the top HEPA filter, which is also washable. As you can see, it's already quite